Di collocarmene papa. Io sono nata ultimo piano, numero 8.
I was born on the top floor, on number 8. I spent my childhood sitting on those steps, playing the five stones.
Ho passato la mia infanzia seduta su quei gradini a giocare 5 peggi.
That warehouse was ours, and my father used to put the donkey.
E mio padre ci metteva l'asino.
My Sicily is made of its incredible history. Populations that mix, which means culture, art, inspiration. An island in the middle of the Mediterranean, an island that has seen reign the Phoenicians, Greeks, Arabs, Byzantines, Normans, Swabians, Angevins, Spaniards, and Bourbons. Yes, my Sicily is made of its incredible history that becomes a temple, mosaic, fishing, agriculture. A story that also goes into the kitchen, and as the Greek geographer Strabon wrote, the kitchen becomes a perfect symphony of colors. With the inexpensive eggplants was born the true masterpiece of popular cuisine, la caponata. Always with fried eggplants, the parmigiana. An Etna chef created la pasta alla norma for the famous Catanese musician Vincenzo Bellini, steaming pasta, tomato, fried eggplants, and salted ricotta. With fish, the pride of our sea, we prepare I sardi a beccafico, which means fig pecker sardines, or the famous pasta chisarde, that is pasta with sardines, wild fennel, pine nuts, and muddica turrata, which is toast crumb.
Ho detto la pasta con le sarde, no? Che il condimento l'avevo preparato ieri.
Today for you I prepared the pasta with sardines and caponata. Archestrato, the wise men of Gela, already existed 300 years before Christ, sang the joys of Sicilian cuisine. Take a piece of tuna, cut it into slices and roast it, season with salt and grease it with oil. It would be excellent food to make the mouth water, even to the gods. The legend tells us that the vine in Sicily was brought by Dionysus, god of joy and well-being. With a blaze of ricotta and sugar, we have Sicilian cannoli and Sicilian cassata, an explosion of flavor and color with its candied fruit. But Sicily is not only cuisine, it is also sun, sea, the scent of orange blossoms, yellow broom plants, and lemons. My Sicily is also the simplicity and hospitality of my neighbor Concetta, who does beautiful loom work. It is Auceria, which is an ancient market, Mount Etna. The Temples Valley. The Greek Theater of Syracuse. Taormina. The Palatine Chapel. The Val di Noto with the Baroque wonders. It is the sanctuary of Gibilmanna and of Tindari. My Sicily is above all my country. Cefalù, nestled at the foot of the Rocca, home of the giant Cyclops, and Diana, goddess of the hunting. With its majestic cathedral from 1131 that stands on the roofs of our houses, its medieval old town, the alleys and narrow streets, the small arches that bind a building to another, the dotted courtyards with flowering vases, the medieval washhouse, the artisans, children playing, free on the street, balconies with hanging clothes. My Sicily is also my sea urchins, caught in the Mediterranean Sea, the Nostrum Sea, and then delicately work to make my jewels. Sea jewels, Sicilian jewels. A strange idea. How strange are we Sicilians? One day when I was on the beach, I saw something shine in the water. It had a wonderful color. I picked it, and it was a sea urchin. Here it is, the first jewel I made with sea urchins. It takes a lot of patience with the sea urchins, because they are very delicate. My Sicily are also my books. I have written many, and many are still in my mind. This is Send of Hot Bread, dedicated to my parents, and to that smell that you can never forget. But my Sicily is above all greeting, generosity, hospitality. These Sicilians are my Sicily.
Vincenza, ci salutiamo. Che dire, donna di Sicilia bagnata?
Sì, donna fortunata.
We're Sicilian women, lucky women.
Grazie.
Who is Vincenza Catanese? Vincenza Catanese was born in 1949 in Cefalù. He is a typical Sicilian figure, with so many inspirations and a great inner poetry. Poet, writer, musical author, atelier, but above all, as she says, wife, mother, and grandmother. She invented the jewels made with sea urchins. She lives part of the year in Cefalù and part of the year in Gibilmanna. That is a bit by the sea and a bit in the mountains.
Gentili signori cari, tutto quello che state vedendo.
Dear friends, what are you enjoying of Splendid Sicily has been possible because of our love and devotion to Sicily. Splendid Sicily is self-sustaining. It depends on donations from those who love Sicily and Sicilians all over the world. So, please, support us, otherwise, in a while, we'll be upside down.
Se amate veramente la Sicilia, altrimenti noi fra un po' accappottiamo.